friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. In this video we talk about Craob X Laptop. The laptop comes with a 13.3-inch display sporting a 4K resolution. It has a punch-hole display with no visibility of thick bezels. As said earlier, it is claimed to be the world's first portless laptop. But the question is, how does it work? Like practically? Well, the laptop has a wireless charger accessory that magnetically attaches to the laptop's back one. And, apart from its usual charging, it also has multiple ports on it. Having said that, it acts as a ports hub. It has a USB Type-A port, USB Type-C port, a Thunderbolt port, audio jack and an SD card reader slot. So, while the charger is plugged, it can wirelessly charge as well as transfer and receive files. Apart from being a looker, it also has the latest internals. It is powered by the new 12th generation Intel Core i7 1280p processor and has Iris Xe graphics. It has up to 32 gigabytes of Lpddr5 RAM and has 2 terabytes of PE SSD. Wi-Fi 6E is one of its connectivity options. It is 7mm in thickness, which does make the laptop look like a slim slate. It has a chiplet style keyboard and a fairly sized trackpad. So friends, how did you like this video? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then please subscribe our channel.